Hi guys, today we're going to install the carbon style stainless steel protection plate from Cartrimhome. The plate goes on top of this plastic trim like this. We'll do the installation shortly. As you can see, this trim piece takes a lot of abuse. That's why we decided to use this new plate to protect it. If you guys like this product, I will leave the link in the description. First I will remove this cover, also the weather stripping like this. Right now we'll need to clean this trim piece and use some alcohol as well. Make sure there is no dirt or grease on top of the plate. Now you need to remove all of the red film from the tape. All protection film has been removed. Now we are ready to install the plate. It's very simple, you just put it on top of the original, carefully line it up, and start applying the pressure on the plate. You will need to actually press and hold. I would say spend like 5 minutes for this. This will ensure that the plate properly attaches to plastic. You can even sit down and use your body weight, and you can have your body seat right here as well. And now I will remove the white protective film. And look how nice it looks. Our installation is complete. As you can see, in my opinion, it looks really cool. I like how this carbon style looks like. Installation didn't take us a lot of time. And as I said, now you have extra protection for this plastic panel. Right now we'll check if our door is going to close after this installation, and yes, as you can see, everything works fine. This product is available at Cartrimhome. I will leave the link in the description. Check it out. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.